the past week or so, she's laughing. The past week or so, I've literally just been doing loads of repairs on bodywork, as you can see. It's the first time I've done it, so it's been real slow progress. Deanne had a day available today, so we decided to just pull the plug for the time being on spraying and do things inside the van. Like today we're going to try and do the sound deadening, and we might also try and remove a trim panel on the side and do a load of sealing on the side. But yeah, first thing we need to start is just to wipe the van out again, because accumulated a load of dust and crap, so we need to wipe that out. And then we're going to kind of plan out where all the sound deadening panels are going to go. We also need to figure out whether we've got enough, because I don't know if we've got enough sound deadening.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's do it.
Are you hoovering or am I hoovering?
So this is our sound deadening, Open Sesame. Got it on Amazon, 50 quid. So basically, like, when you hit it, you hear the difference?
Yeah. Like this one.
Literally, she's a fucking lunatic. Just get it done, everything.
Watch me do this one.
As long as you apply enough pressure on it.
It's got a crease.
Don't say that she needs and that she needs her. That she needs her. He probably lives alone.
So there's a little close up. Des getting involved. Down to a T.
Never to compare. Why can't she be alone for good so I can dream and never dare? Please don't say that you've seen it. She's probably got a life laid out. Just let me dream a little more. Takes up all my strength. No more can I think of them.
Progress is being made, isn't it, Bree?
Just get it done. That's my saying.
It is your fucking motto. Should we put it on the side of the van? Just put Crafty camper. Get it done. it's time for tea and Oreos. Gluten-free Oreos.
Just move on up toward your destination, though you may find from time to time.
Hello people, so today we are fitting the step. Bought a step on eBay, it's like 80 quid, dirt cheap. Yeah, it's a little bit overkill, it's like for like a welfare kind of van, but it was cheap and it looks kind of cool, so it's bright yellow as well.